My daughter and I bought a zombie house, sight unseen. We were told the only thing wrong with it was that the downstairs bathroom pipe had a leak. Make sure you watch this video until the end because I have a special announcement. As you can see, the house had more than one bathroom broken pipe. It had 24 busted heating pipes. What is a zombie house, you ask? Zombie homes are properties that have 1 to 4 units and they've been abandoned and vacant. They're physically distressed. There's graffiti, there's trash all over the property, there are repairs needed, there's overgrown weeds and bushes. And now, welcome to my nightmare. Here is my first walkthrough. I'm taping right now, just so you know. This video was taken after we cleaned all the crap out of the rooms. Okay, so here's the living room. And we go into the dining room. The floors have to be done immediately. Dead bird. We can't find the registers to the radiators.
Unless they're in the garage.
Here is the kitchen.
Stuff.
I'm video recording, just so you know.
Do not destroy.
Do not destroy what?
I have no idea. There's a shit everywhere.
Is there crap in the cabinets?
Yes.
All right. Okay, so down to the basement. Here's the small bathroom, the half bath next to the kitchen. Well, listen, we can make it the way we like it. We'll make it beautiful. Here's the laundry room. I look at it as it's an open palette. I'll make it pretty. Here is the playroom. It's very big. But, okay, so it's sheetrocked here. Sheetrock is ripped off here. They were trying to find a leak. What is this wall? Old sheetrock?
Oh, there's 2 layers.
2 layers.
Layer off. I don't know.
And then this sheetrock that they put in, the new sheetrock has mold for some reason. So that's gotta be removed. All right, let's keep walking through the house.
I still try to understand what the leak was.
They're saying in the basement. All right, so I didn't see the basement yet. I'm gonna go down there after I show you the upstairs bedrooms. Okay. Going up the stairs, another dead bird. Probably shouldn't be showing you that. Top of the stairs, we got a window looking over the garage. This is the hallway. Right here is the big bathroom. Okay, you walk through, there's a linen closet here. You walk through into the master bedroom. Radiators are missing, floors are completely destroyed. It's got a big walk-in closet to the attic. There's a big closet in the master. Here is the other second bedroom, which is a pretty decent size. Closet is okay. In the hallway we got a linen closet. Looks like it was freshly painted with new wood shelves. Heating system, I don't know. When he says that could be fixed, I don't know what I'm looking at. Here is the small bedroom. A little closet there. With some kind of, oh, here's a wet pipe up here, Vin. I don't know what that is. And there's another pipe going through and a tiny closet. We go back downstairs. This is the big bathroom. Okay. You walk through, there's a linen closet. And when I get to the basement, I will shoot. Oops.
I'd love to know what that leak is. It's quite the wrench.
Oops.
I'd love to know what that leak is. It's quite the wrench.
The basement was filled with mold, and I hired a contractor to rip everything out, rip all the walls down, rip everything out of there, and clean it up. This is the dining room floor walking into the kitchen. Kitchen had no floor, dining room had a wood floor that was shot. We put a keyless entry on the door, and we changed the combination for each contractor so that they could come in and out, and it was more convenient. And actually, this is the first time I ever had a keyless entry on my house, and it is life-changing when you forget your keys. So yeah, love it. And the red door has got to go. I have the paint sitting there, but I am painting the front door black. What do you think about a red door? And what is the meaning of a red door? Do you know? If you do, leave a comment below and let me know if there is any meaning to having a red front door. So the first thing we did was repair that so-called busted pipe, you know, the one that is the only thing wrong with the house. So we got Vinny in there, and Vinny fixed that first pipe. And then he had 24 other pipes to fix. Including this living room pipe that ran from ceiling to floor. Vinny felt the best thing for us to do was to get one toilet working in this house while everybody's working on it. So he took the upstairs toilet from the big bathroom and brought it down and hooked it up in the small bathroom downstairs so that he could go upstairs and gut the big bathroom. And we were putting in a brand new bathroom. By the way, wasn't that toilet lovely with the cat bursting out of the lid? And the feed for the toilet is in. Finally, the installation of the yucky potty. But the contractors need somewhere to go to the bathroom. We finished the small bathroom, and now for the final results. Here is the small bathroom. Here is the beautiful tile. It looks like white weathered wood. I love it so much. Here is the, oh, I just washed it, it didn't dry. Here's the ebony with the antique gold sink, the antique gold waterfall faucet. Oops, the beautiful mirror and the antique gold lighting. I need another light bulb. The whole bathroom is shiplap. We have beautiful sun that comes from the south. The water is not too far away. This gorgeous shiplap bathroom. The new toilet bowl with no kitty cat on it. A little decor. My sign to read every morning. Today is the beginning of a new day. Let it be something good. It's my little acorns in the mirror. Window, I mean. This is one of my favorite paintings. I don't know if it's staying in here. I don't know if I'm going to go, I don't know, with the gold and the ebony. It was kind of like classy, but it could be nautical. It could be cottage in here. Vinny made homemade registers, custom made registers for the radiators, which came out gorgeous. Even the toilet paper holder, I love the little antique gold with the marble top. So it's just love, 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 love. Love the bathroom. So that's our small bathroom, complete with, we have a heater, which I love. If you would like to see the rest of the renovations for this house, please leave a comment below and consider subscribing to my channel. And now for my announcement.
We only have our new TV show.
Awesome! Thumbs up. And for those of you who didn't understand what Ava was just saying, she was saying that Noni and me have our own little show. So it's more of like a vlog, but since I babysit all the time and we do such fun and have so much fun and so many giggles, we decided to do some videos and post them. So I will leave a link below. It's called Noni and Me, and it's just going to be all fun stuff for kids, dancing, singing, playing, and lots of giggles. Thanks for watching.